Hi, I'm Danny Langson with Probo Medical. I've been working on equipment deinstallations for around 6 years now. When replacing imaging equipment, sometimes the removal of the used system can be overlooked. Naturally, the deinstall of the used equipment is just a byproduct of you getting a shiny new piece of equipment. But there's still a lot to consider. 1. Who will be doing the removal? You need to ensure that the chosen company have the relevant skills, qualifications and insurances. 2. Planning. Installation projects are meticulously planned to minimise downtime, so timing is crucial. 3. Risk and method statements. These are key for health and safety. 4. Data deletion. Agree in advance how this process will be managed. Every IT policy is slightly different, so you need to ensure the chosen method satisfies this. Probo Medical's teams of specialist engineers have many years of experience working within the hospital environment on large-scale and complex removal projects. We project manage the removal from start to finish, ensuring that it comes in on time and on budget.